Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones Day Trade Setups for today. So yesterday, pretty much a big up, big down day, and formed an inside bar here on the 8-hour. Oscillators group to the upside, so as I said to you yesterday, you don't really want to be chasing longs up here. You want to wait for some kind of a setup. So at the moment, there are still two areas of interest, and I just want to draw them in. We'll discuss them on the low time frame. So firstly, it's these lows here. Okay, and then secondly, it's these highs here. So those are the two areas of interest on the 8-hour. If we drop down to the 3-hour, you'll see nothing really changes, except in between them, we have that swing high there. Oscillators have eased off quite nicely, separated quite nicely. So, if you look at this little pattern as a flag, that would be the target of the flag as well. So those are the three levels that we have at the moment. Looking at the hour, you can see that was big up, big down, big confusion, nothing really happening. Look at the oscillators grouping quite nicely to the downside. And now I need to add another level, which is pretty much our 1-hour level, which is this level of support here. We did touch it yesterday before accelerating and coming back. So this is the area to watch, 32,652. Then you need to pay attention to 32,500, 519, sorry, and then 32,367, and then right at the bottom you're looking at 32,223. So on the high time frames, you need to be cautious. On the hour, it is easing off quite nicely. You should be seeing some opportunities here somewhere. Now, if we look at the 15 minutes, yesterday was pretty much all over the place day. Head and shoulders forming, shoulder, head, shoulder, neckline pretty much in this area here. Or you could treat that as a neckline. I suppose it's probably safe to treat this as a neckline. Looking at the 50 minutes, we are looking for another leg down. So I'm kind of sit on hands on this one until the US Open, but I would prefer to see price pull back to 32,200 and 32,367 area. That's kind of the view that I've got. Possibly here as well, 32,519 or 32,500. But this first level here, I'm not really keen on. It has been tested already. So these are the three areas that I'm paying attention to. If we pull back into this area, there should be an opportunity to buy continuation with the trend. Lastly, let's just do this on the 3-hour. We have a fairly solid trend line here. You can see starting here, we've already had 3 touches and another attempt at it. So, and you can see where it intersects all these trend lines, or horizontal trend lines. So, a support. Let's rephrase that. Trend line intersects the support lines. Okay, so if price can get back into an area where it intersects, like here, 32,356, or somewhere here at 32,500, 32,514. That would be a buying opportunity. I think it's really, if you look at it on the 3-hour, you're going to need to start dropping below the lows of last week before you start getting too concerned about price reversing. Okay, so anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. You're looking for structure to buy, and pay close attention to this because it is brewing quite nicely. So it is setting up quite nicely for either a range and then all the oscillators ease off, or a pullback to form some kind of a wedge flag for a move to the upside. Anyway, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.